Chief Ferdinand Alabra, Dr. Samsam Jaja, Theodore George Will, Greg Wina, Honorable Judge Tolofari, Honorable Marcos Leji, Honorable Sam Uyiba, Chief Ambrose Woolsey, Chief Orwell Oyeso, Honorable Frank Owo, Dr. Samson Parker, Right Honorable Twins Chibudon Muche, Honorable Victor Igwe, Honorable Fred Igwe.
Somebody, you know how, somebody that know, and you know how some black. And if I say, I say, no have sa similarly. Fubara. Since the last event, great state. 3 years yesterday involved Nabu governor or deputy governor. I started for our own time. I'm a Sabiaro. Dr. Palibo had body go to deputy governor. You see, I stopped like there. Because do the way you have in Parakara. I go to Zabuja. Zema represent the Senate. So I want the deputy governor. He has the Senate in Bra. The Rivers West. Remember represent the Senate. So, Magana, you also consider, and now you're here, you already represent as deputy governor. Now, Professor Hobo, Abraham in the school. Professor, Ngozi Mma Odu, as deputy governor. No, not one year of Mam, Mamma, Yamariana, the deputy governor. I'm very careful. I don't know why you're I'm very careful. So, the candidates we have to vote for. These are the people that will work till the day they will leave office. Ordinarily, how many states are not going? If how many months, 4 or 5 months, I hold an office of that. Yet, I'm a commission and flagging up. Other go from having bravo. No big way in that blah. People can lay in that for the interest of the people. So,
you're a good man.
Thank you very much.
Club. Love you.
Are you coming?
The lady that represented now tell them now they have brought you a black woman. This road, tell your boss, this road, if I don't commission it before I leave, as I'm handing over, I'll blacklist your company not to get job in River State. Call your Igbo boss. Now they have sent you as a black person. When it's time to sign money, they won't send you. I'll make out.
Yeah.
I'll make out.
Yeah.
Now, the first amendment flag up. Let us slow. Understand Hamburg Nigeria. I'll make out. I'll make out. I say I hear Baba. If I can't do Hamburg Nigeria. I can't go ask one Nigeria. I'm going to Hamburg Nigeria. Bro, walk out your foot again. I'm not bra. I'm going to go back. That's what tomorrow walk out again. No foot again. Now I'm going to walk out. Okay, man. I'm going to walk out. You can't open up, I can't open up. You can't just like an hour. I'm going to go. Now, some people can know my every time. Man, also airtime. Dishing out lies. No problem. No problem. You buy airtime and dish out the truth. I don't know whether you're saying. If I'm buying airtime to dish out lies, you buy airtime to dish out the truth. Simple. If I'm telling lies, you come out and tell the truth. Somebody today will be like, oh, he did not collect a contract from River State. After all, if I'm saying so, am I the owner of Jerusalem? That is not the issue. That's not the issue. The issue is that since 1999, every job that was given to you in your community, you did not do any one. Yes or no? Yes or no? That cannot be my company. In any case, I get you a better job. You have been doing the job. The one that you brought, have you finished it? Have you not been paid? You know, you cannot deceive people. You think that you come to tell Nigerians, oh, no, the job they gave to the company is in my company. That's the children on the road. All of us know the system. What are we denying? You are denying that because I've said it out. You say you do not benefit. Now I'm saying it out now. You benefited. Don't hide. Don't allow us to go down. If not, Nigerians will laugh at you. Just shut your mouth and shut your mouth. If you cannot answer, you cannot answer. When you go to an exam, you see the question, you can't answer it. Do you kill yourself? No. You leave it. There's no amount of going this way, you know that will solve the problem. You don't know it, you don't know, you have no answer, you have no answer. Just like this one, you have no answer, you have no answer. But the people are aware. If you didn't dare, you didn't dare. You know, so, now, why do I tell this time? You know, every time you can lie. When you tell lies, you don't know when you are contradicting yourself. Because I said yesterday, I meant no bad. I'm only worried. As a prominent PDP member, a man who lost PDP should be worried. That was all. My concern. I was not mocking anybody. I was merely worried. When my prayer was, look, let Obasanjo remain quiet and not say anything. That was not my prayer, but my prayer didn't work. Because my prayer was that if this man makes any statement, it indicts us, right? Because he was president under the People's Democratic Party. He was for 8 years. And he worked with our presidential candidate for 8 years. Did you understand me? He worked. And the campaign of our presidential council is that our presidential candidate, during the 8 years, did very well with experience, is it not? And one now consider, look, having done so, then the principal will hand over to Nigerians, having done this is a person that I think should do this work better, is it not? Yes, sir. But when the principal has go and say no, it's the right person, it worried me. And that's why I said, look, something is fundamentally wrong. And instead of them to say, look, what do you think is wrong? You're abusing me. What did I do? I didn't do anything. All I was a concern. Something fundamentally wrong. And if we care for this party, it's for you to now go back. What is that that's fundamentally wrong? That this man did what he did. And then you are abusing me. I don't understand. Me that is worried that we should do something. You are abusing the man that's worried that the party should do something. I've told people, those who love this party, those who know that if anything happens to this party, are those who are worried about the party. Not those who are moving around every day. You go here today, you go tomorrow. You go the other day, you go tomorrow. They are not bothered. But those of us who in 1998 will join this party, contributed for the survival of this party till now. That's why we're always shouting. When we see danger coming, we will shout. And when we shout, people are angry. But when you see young boys who just moved to the party, the other party the other day, because they didn't get what they are looking for there, they came back here. They have now become spokesperson of the party. I've never seen a system like this. A man joined our party 2 months ago, has become a spokesperson of our party. What does he know about our party because he's a spokesperson? Abuses, without changing.
No.
It will not change anything. Rather, it will spoil more things. Is it not correct?
Correct.
What you don't know, ask people. Seek for advice. People will help to solve the problem. If you like, go and bring all these boys, hang out boys, looking for food to eat, to abuse us, you are spoiling the matter. God won't worry ourselves. So what's the problem? And we want to sit down and see how those problems can be solved. It's not by going to channels and the other television houses they have and abuse Wike and abuse G5. It will not solve any problem. Try to complicate your problem. We have not started politics. Look at how it is. You said there's problem. This is introduction to until the right thing is done. You must do the right thing. You must. If you don't do the right thing, then whatever you see, you take it. It's not about me. It's about equity, it's about fairness, it's about justice. That's all. I don't need anything. There's nothing God has not done for me. Some of them say, oh, PDP has done a lot of things for me. Yeah, you are making a mistake. I agree. That's why I'm still in PDP. You that left PDP, what did people not do a lot of things for you? You. I see most of them now. That's why they did not abuse us in PDP in 2015. Nothing they did not abuse us. Took away the power from us. Took away the power from us. But we are suffering today. Good night. Good night. And these are people now chatting holier than as if they want PDP than us. Nobody can drive us away from the house we are built. All of us will fight here. Nobody. Nobody. So if anybody thinks that you can just sit in your house and dish out orders and dish out instead, it will not work. The house will collapse on you. It will not work. So you better think twice. So stop sending all these Arab boys who don't have any job. I have a job. That's why I'm working out tonight to May 29. If go to your state and tell your own colleague to do the same thing. So I thank you and wish all of you Happy New Year. I believe that more roads will come to Rumuolumene. I believe so. But what is key for me, I would like to you, is this bridge crossing to Angie. It will solve a lot of
Problem. Thank you, sir.
problem. We don't go and write it against me now. Because people can use blackmail now. I didn't say I would do it too. I said, I hope my successor is hearing. Is that what I said?
Yes.
I'm not making black and black. I'm making that English. If I want for to run away, I'm not going to. I'm going to do it to be better for consolidation so that you can find or who they need so that to do this bridge. But I'm going to never give you camera. So many things will change. On that note, let me invite our leaders to join me to flag off the construction of Mgbuodohia and this spot to the glory of God. Thank you.